what happened to my car is sometimes a question that stuns us. Now, whether you are a car enthusiast or someone that thinks petrol is the only thing a car needs, we are both sometimes left in the dark. Not anymore. I'm K-Mac, and welcome to WrenchMode, a brand that aims to help you diagnose your ride, tips on how to best maintain your ride, and also bringing you tools, parts, and how they function. But guess what? There's more. As we progress, we will hunt scrapyard gems. We will also lead up to full engine rebuilds as well as restorations. So one thing I have to be clear about is pictures and the clips that you see in my video is purely used just for content. I'm working on getting to my desired setup. One thing I can guarantee is that I do have the determination and the steps to achieving my goal, and I'll stop at nothing to get there. You're still here. So if you felt that I've shared some light, why not continue with me on my journey by simply clicking the like and subscribe button as we both make our way to automotive excellence right here with WrenchMode. I'll see you soon.